Professional course in English. Process technology. Equipment and systems. Unit 4. Distillation systems. In this lecture you will learn principles of distillation, material balance and heat balance, plate, tray, columns, packed columns, problems in a distillation column. Distillation is a process that separates a substance from a mixture by its boiling point. The distillation process includes a feed system, a preheat system, a distillation column, an overhead system, a bottom system. Principles of distillation. The separation of components in a distillation tower is based on the differences in volatility or boiling point. As the vapor rises up the tower and contacts the liquid, the concentration of the lower boiling, or more volatile, components increase. As the liquid descends the tower, the concentration of the higher boiling, or less volatile, components, increases. Material balance and heat balance. Material balance theory states that the sum of the raw materials entering must equal the total of the products leaving the distillation tower. Heat balance states that the heat that goes into a distillation column must be equal to the heat that goes out of it. Maintaining this balance is critical to the proper functioning of the tower. Plate, tray, columns. The basic components of a plate column include feed inlet, feed tray, rectifying or enriching section, located above the feed tray, stripping section, located below the feed tray, bottom outlet, overhead outlet, reflux line, reboiler, condenser, feed preheater, side stream outlets, downcomer, weir, riser, pipes, pumps, valves. Plate columns come in three basic designs: bubble cap tray, sieve tray, valve tray. Bubble cap trays are used commonly in the distillation process. A tray has many bubble caps mounted on a riser, covered by liquid. A weir on the tray maintains a liquid level over the caps. As heavier condensate builds up, it flows over the weir and out a device called a downcomer. The downcomer discharges onto the tray under it. Sieve trays are the simplest type of tray. A sieve tray is essentially a metal plate with small holes in it. Valve trays have simple, movable plates. Plate movement depends on process flow. This type of tray is more efficient over a wider range of flow rates than the sieve tray. Each valve is a metal strip or a small metal disc that lifts under vapor pressure. Flow is directed horizontally on the tray to produce good mixing. Packed columns. Packed distillation columns provide a unique approach to vapor-liquid or liquid-liquid contact during the distillation process. Packed towers use specially designed packing materials to provide more surface area for maximum contact between gases and liquids. Packing comes in a variety of designs and sizes. Sulzer packing, Raschig ring, ceramic and metal. Flexoring. Cross-partition ring. Metal pawl ring. Intalix saddle. Metal intalix. Burl saddle. Problems in a distillation column. Downcomer flooding occurs when the liquid flow rate in the tower is so great that liquid backs up in the downcomer and overflows to the upper tray. Liquid accumulates in the tower, differential pressure increases, and product separation is reduced. Jet flooding occurs when the vapor velocity is so high that liquid downflow in the tower is restricted. Liquid accumulates in the tower, differential pressure increases, and product separation is reduced. Local flooding is excessive liquid flowing down a column blocks vapor flow up the column in one section. Overloading is best described as operating a column at maximum conditions. Weeping is a phenomenon that occurs when the vapor velocity is too low to prevent liquid from flowing through the holes in the tray instead of across the tray. To revise the learned material, answer the questions. How is the section of the tower located above the feed tray called? How is the section of the tower located directly below the feed tray called? Name 2 types of distillation columns. Name 3 types of trays found in a distillation plate column. Name the basic components of a distillation column. List the problems in a distillation column.